Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be my first DIY project. TikTok made me do it and Instagram, so I hope you enjoy and please excuse my nails. First, I started with this martini holder and then I turned it into this. So let's get it. Started off with some cardboard, had to cut it of course, 4 pieces. Now I am tracing the outline for the shelves. It was actually pretty easy. I really enjoyed it. And then, of course, had to pick up some paint. I got a glossy paint. I didn't want to go with a matte black. And then this was the first layer. I ended up doing maybe 2 or 3 layers of paint. As you could see, this is the first layer. I liked it, but I wanted it to, be thicker, of course. And then I started to paint the actual martini flavor holder itself, and then I painted the napkin holders, of course. Here's a comparison, what they look like at first to what they look like after. I was only going to paint a portion of the martini holder, but I ended up painting all of it. And then here's the glue that I use. I think it's just little acrylic glue. And I started off by putting them like this, but then they weren't gluing how I wanted them to. So I ended up doing this, and they came out very well. The only thing is, as you could see in this clip, the white residue on the black is from the glue. So I actually went back and painted over that, like 1 or 2 coats. So as you can see, everything's ready to go. Right here, I marked where I want the shelving to go. I actually pressed it up against there and wrote with a white eyeliner. And yeah, let's get to it. Got to get the zip ties and tie these bad boys together. I started with the bottom. Please excuse my nails, they look terrible. But yeah, I'm going to stop doing the voiceover and just let you watch me do this.
Come on, darling. Do you want me to play something for you? Come on. Give me a smoke, will you?
Play faster. You say you wanna be my lover. How's about we roll another? You say you wanna be my lover. Then how's about we roll another? Oh, my lover. Treat me like that. We should just roll a fat back, cause I can't have it.
And then of course, as you could see, I had to cut the excess from the little zip ties. And I'm super excited because it came out a lot better than I anticipated. But yeah, let's finish watching the outcome.
Can't have it. We should be smoking and joking, fucking and talking, doing it slow motion. Go with the flow like the ocean. Oh, you can't get me wet like that. You say you wanna be my lover. You say you wanna be. But how's about we roll another? Oh, oh. You say you wanna be my lover. You say
I'm working on the top, but I was really confused at how low or high I wanted the shelving to be, so I put the beauty blenders in the holders. That's what I'm going to use them for because none of my makeup brushes fit those holes. So I used the the blenders as a guide to how high or low I wanted the shelving to be.
And smoke with a bitch, won't roll with a bitch in the club. How you draw when a split come blow for a bit, let me touch it. White skin, come and stick, give me head, give me kiss, let me rub it. Fuck yeah, fuck yeah. I don't really want no strings attached. I won't cuff ya. Tell me, can you handle that? Can you handle that? You say you wanna be my lover. You say you wanna be. But how's about we? How's about we? Real or not? You say you wanna be my lover. But how's about we? Real or not? You say you wanna be my lover, and how's about we love another? You say you wanna be my lover, and how's about we roll another? Oh.
But this is what she looks like with basically stuff on it, and I think came out awesome. I'm so excited. Please stay safe and blessed, everyone. Thank you for tuning in. Bye, Cali gang.